Hello everyone, I am Dave, and in this video I am going to review the software hosting payouts. One click app creates auto-updating hosting affiliates website for long-term passive income. If you are really interested in this software, make sure you stay until the end of the video because I am going to show you that what is hosting payouts, how it works, and plus free bonuses and discounts that you can enjoy once you buy this software and my personal ratings. So let's get started. Before we begin, I like to highlight out that this software is only available on their official website. If you want to purchase it after this review, I include a link in this video description for your convenience. Well, hosting payout is an app which creating auto updating hosting affiliate website within 60 seconds with pre-built reviews, comparison tables, automated content and built-in traffic. And it's a cloud-based software without require any installation, and you can set up your own affiliate website in 3 simple steps. Let me show how it's work. All you want to do you're gonna do is step 1, access. Get instant access to your hosting payouts by clicking any of the buy button on this page. Step 2, choose niche and import. Your site is ready in seconds. With the hosting payouts, you allow visitors to review the best hosting for their business and click your affiliate links. Step 3, enjoy. For each referral, you get the best commission up to $500 each. And you have a question: how to build the traffic, how to gain the traffic, how to pull the traffic. That's a solution. You can easily get the traffic because these softwares include with built-in traffic and article generator poster to get more visitors and viewers every day. Let me show some user demo how it works, how to set up a free review affiliate website. Back to the review. Hosting payouts, pricing and upsell. To get a hosting payouts, you can get at low one-time price for just $16.9 in a launching price. You can get this software at $9 also if you just click the link in my description and you can grab it. And this software is came up with 30 days money back guarantee, so if you don't like this software you can return it to their creators and get your money back, or you can earn around $300 for doing nothing. So I'll show you how to earn those 300. Here you can see you can earn up to 300 if you're not getting results. Got it right? So if you buy the product and try it out the methods and build affiliate pages but you still didn't get the result within 30 days, you can just mail the creators and get your money back with these $300 bonus reward. It's interesting, right? And then hosting payouts came up with 4 different bonuses. Bonus number 1, mastermind community group. Bonus 2, step by step training video. Bonus 3, real life case study. And an additional bonus 4, 5 way to make $500 daily with hosting payouts. My personal opinions and ratings. Hosting payouts, in my opinion, it's a decent software that is packed with awesome creative features such as a pre-built reviews, automated content, built-in traffic. So as a digital marketer, it's instant way to earn high ticket commission with step by step team training. The only issue in this software, it's not a beginner friendly. If you are a beginner and you want to make money soon, like get rich quick, then this software is not for you guys, because if you buy the hosting payouts, you have some minimal experience in hosting providers and like softwares, then page building, then only you can see the result and the desired result within a month. So if you buy the software and want to become a quick reach at the overnight, you can end up with a disappointment. So finally I give 4.0 out of 5 star rating for hosting payouts based upon the features and pricings. That's all for now guys. I hope this video was helpful to you. If this content is useful, subscribe the channel, and if you want to grab the software, check the link in description. Have a great week.